Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm really happy you're here today. If you're listening right now, it means you care about learning English, and that already makes you special. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike. And today we're talking about something that almost every English learner faces.
Mistakes. English-speaking mistakes.
Yes, and before we start, I want to say something important.
Go ahead.
If you make mistakes in English, that means you are learning.
Exactly. People who never try never make mistakes.
And they never improve.
So today, we want to help you understand your mistakes, feel relaxed about them, and slowly stop making the most common ones.
This lesson is especially for beginners, but honestly, even intermediate learners will relate.
Absolutely. We've been teaching English for years now, and we see the same patterns repeating.
The same struggles.
The same fears.
But also the same breakthroughs when students finally understand.
And that's what we want for you today.
Let's start with something we see all the time, thinking in your own language and then translating into English.
Yes, this is probably the biggest problem.
When you translate, your English sounds unnatural.
And it takes more time.
You pause a lot, you get nervous, and sometimes the sentence comes out wrong.
For example, many learners say things like, I am having 25 years.
But correct English is, I am 25 years old.
That mistake happens because of translation.
In many languages, you say something like, I have 25 years.
But English works differently.
So instead of translating, you should collect English sentences.
Like small building blocks.
Yes, short, simple, daily sentences.
Sentences you can use in real life.
For example, I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm learning English.
Say them again and again.
Your brain will start thinking in English naturally.
It doesn't happen in one day.
But it does happen.
I remember teaching a student from Japan who had this exact problem.
What happened?
She would translate everything, every single sentence, and she would get so frustrated because people didn't understand her.
That must have been difficult.
It was. But then we started working with ready-made sentences, simple phrases she could use immediately.
And it worked?
After 3 months, she was having basic conversations without translating.
That's amazing.
Her confidence completely changed.
Another common mistake beginners make is waiting to be perfect before speaking.
Oh yes, this one stops many people.
They think, my grammar is not good, so I won't speak.
But speaking is how grammar improves.
It's like swimming. You can read about swimming, but you won't learn until you enter the water.
Exactly. Many learners also feel shy.
They worry about people laughing.
But most people are kind.
And even if someone laughs,
that moment will pass.
But your learning will continue.
I remember when I was learning another language, I was scared to speak.
Same here.
One time, I used the wrong word and the sentence became very funny.
What did you say?
I was trying to say I was embarrassed, but instead I said I was pregnant.
Oh no.
Everyone laughed, including me.
Those are the moments you remember forever.
Yes, and you never repeat that mistake again.
Another common problem is speaking too fast.
Beginners think fast speaking means good English.
But fast speaking often means unclear speaking.
It's okay to slow down.
Take your time.
Pause between words.
Clear English is confident English.
And listeners appreciate it.
Think about news reporters or professional speakers.
They don't rush.
They speak clearly and calmly.
That's the English we should aim for.
Sometimes learners also try to use very difficult words.
Yes, they want to sound smart.
But simple words are powerful.
Native speakers use simple words all the time.
Instead of saying, "I am extremely fatigued,"
Just say, I'm very tired.
that's real English.
Another mistake is focusing too much on grammar rules.
Grammar is important, but not at the beginning.
When beginners open a grammar book, they feel stressed.
So many rules.
So many exceptions.
Instead, learn grammar through examples.
Listen to sentences.
Repeat sentences.
Your brain learns patterns naturally.
Children don't learn grammar rules first,
They listen, then speak.
and later they learn grammar.
Think about it. A 3-year-old child can say, I want water.
They don't know what a verb is,
They don't know sentence structure.
but they can communicate.
That's what we want for you at the beginning.
Communication first, perfection later.
Another big mistake is not listening enough.
Listening is very important.
If you don't listen, you don't know how English sounds,
You don't know pronunciation.
or sentence rhythm.
You should listen every day.
Even if you don't understand everything,
That's okay.
your brain is learning in the background.
English podcasts, short videos, simple conversations.
Consistency is more important than long study hours.
10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
We always tell this to our students,
Make English a daily habit.
like brushing your teeth.
You don't think about it, you just do it.
Another mistake learners make is saying yes when they don't understand.
This happens a lot in real conversations.
They don't want to look stupid.
But saying yes without understanding creates problems.
It's okay to ask.
You can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Or, I didn't understand.
These sentences are polite and correct.
Using them shows confidence, not weakness.
Even native speakers ask people to repeat things.
Exactly, it's completely normal.
I do it all the time when I'm on the phone.
Me too. Sometimes the connection is bad or someone speaks too fast.
So don't feel bad about asking.
Many learners also stop practicing after some time.
They start with excitement,
Then life gets busy.
and English disappears.
Try to connect English with your daily life.
Talk about what you're doing.
I'm cooking. I'm cleaning. I'm going to work.
Talk to yourself.
Yes, it feels strange at first.
But it really works.
Your mouth gets used to English.
Your confidence grows.
You can also describe things you see.
The sky is blue. The car is red.
Simple observations in English.
It trains your brain to think in English.
Another mistake is comparing yourself to others.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Some people speak fast.
Some people need more time.
That's okay.
Your journey is your journey.
Focus on progress, not perfection.
Even one new sentence a day is progress.
I had a student once who felt very discouraged
Why?
because his classmate was learning faster.
But everyone is different.
Exactly. I told him, don't look at others, look at yourself from 3 months ago.
And what happened?
He realized he had improved so much.
He just couldn't see it because he was comparing.
Comparison kills motivation.
Focus on your own growth.
Another common mistake is being afraid of long sentences.
Learners think they need to speak in paragraphs.
But short sentences are perfectly fine.
I like coffee. That's a complete sentence.
The weather is nice. Also complete.
You don't need to say, I really enjoy drinking coffee in the morning because it gives me energy and helps me wake up.
That's too much for a beginner.
Start simple.
Build slowly.
Some learners also mix up tenses.
This is very common.
They say things like, yesterday I go to the market.
The correct sentence is, yesterday I went to the market.
Go is present tense.
Went is past tense.
But don't worry too much about this in the beginning.
Even if you make this mistake, people will usually understand you.
The important thing is to keep speaking.
And over time, your tenses will become more accurate.
Let's do a small practice together now.
If you're listening, repeat softly or in your mind.
I am learning English.
I make mistakes.
I am not afraid.
I speak English every day.
Great job.
Another thing we want to say is don't wait.
Don't wait to be fluent.
Start speaking now.
Start with what you know.
English is a skill.
Skills improve with use.
If today you can speak one sentence,
Tomorrow you can speak 2.
and next month a full conversation,
We've seen students go from saying just hello and thank you.
to having complete conversations in 6 months.
It's possible.
But you have to start,
You have to practice.
and you have to be patient with yourself.
Learning a language is not a race.
It's a journey.
Some days you'll feel confident.
Some days you'll feel stuck.
Both are normal.
The key is to not give up.
One more thing we want to mention.
Yes, pronunciation.
Many learners worry about their accent.
But having an accent is okay.
Everyone has an accent.
Everyone has an accent.
Even native English speakers have different accents.
British English sounds different from American English.
Australian English is different too.
So don't stress about sounding like a native speaker.
Focus on being clear.
Focus on being understood.
That's what matters.
Believe in yourself.
You are capable,
You are learning.
and we're proud of you for trying.
If you're listening till now, you're serious about English.
Keep going.
Keep practicing.
And remember,
Mistakes are your teachers, not your enemies.
every mistake shows you what you need to learn next.
So welcome your mistakes
Learn from them.
and keep moving forward.
We believe in you.
You can do this. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then,
Speak English.
even if it's not perfect.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.